Hello guys, welcome to my new video. I'm very happy to have you guys here. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to use Hubspot software successfully in 2023. So the first thing you have to do right now is jump on your browser, type hubspot.com. So once you type hubspot.com, hold on, because I'm going to explain what Hubspot and CRM means. CRM simply stands for an abbreviation for Customer Relationship Management. So it simply means this Hubspot helps you to engage your audience and provide a very effective customer service. So then I'll go down straight to what Hub means. Hub means effective center of an activity, region or network that helps you to connect everything into a place, like just one place. So firstly, then I'll explain what Hubspot really means. Hubspot is a CRM platform that connects every complaint in order for them to deliver a quality customer experience in one place. Do you understand, guys? Good. Before I get started with the explanation of how everything works on Hubspot, kindly do me a favor right now. It takes just 5 seconds. Turn on the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, like this video in order for you to get more audience, and also share it with your friends. Thank you. So now I'll get started. Once you're on your Hubspot, you click on Start Free or Get a Demo. Once you click on this, you will sign up. You'll be asked several questions. Let me just do it for you guys. Okay. Okay guys, I'm very sorry about that. So now I'm going to click on Get Started Free. So once you click on this, fill on the information you have to fill, which I already did everything, but I just want to see. You say continue with user. I already have a user on this website, so once you'll be asked to add your company name, brand name, your email, and some other personal questions in your password and every other thing. Or you can click on sign up with Google. So now go down to my Hubspot dashboard in the new tab. So this is my Hubspot dashboard here, guys. This is the overview of what I've done so far. So this Hubspot allows us to do so many things. Firstly, I just want to make a preview to you guys. Yeah. So as you can see, inbox, chat flows, and some templates and some other things. Marketing, ads, email, landing page, website, this website page and blog pages. Whenever you like, for example, you want to integrate the website with your Hubspot. And this is another tip for you freelancers. This Hubspot is also a strategy for you to upsell your potential clients. How? Simply by telling them, do they have an Hubspot account that they are working on that helps to boost their business? If they said no, then it's a win-win, because once you help them to set up this whole Hubspot CRM, they will get more conversions and more results, which will also lead you to get more service fee. Do you understand, guys? It's a tip. You have to use it after watching the video. Implement it. Go through this website very well. Check all the tools one by one. Master everything. Then add it to your strategy in order for you to earn more as a freelancer in 2023. So now I will show you every other things. And also on this website, also you could conduct this A/B testing in order for you to send mail based on 2 products and be able to target which one have more reach and visibility. You can also do that here on Hubspot. But the first thing right now is create your first email Hubspot campaign. So once you click on this, create your first email Hubspot campaign, you have to add your email, the content you want to blast, and this create an email list is very easy. Either you go through your other email marketing service provider to get a list, or you should ask your buyer to provide a list for you, or you could generate your own list through blasting of campaign, or you could run ads on Facebook in order to get active leads and lists. Because most times when majority of us generate leads and leads, majority of all those lists and leads are inactive. I'm telling you this from personal experience. You will find out you blasting campaign to over 1,000 lists that you generated, and just 5 to 6 people are responding, which shows majority, over 90% of lists you blast campaign to are inactive. So it's really good. You should generate the list either from ads on Facebook, or you should ask your buyer to provide it for you, or you could download it from the store or the website. So good. So before you start all these things, integrate your Hubspot or your buyer's Hubspot with their website. Simply tell them to create an Hubspot account, then they should forward you the login. Because if you create it from your location, there are some features that will not be able to access by you. Specifically, all US citizens have more authority to work on this platform than every other part of the world. So ask them to create the account. They should send you the login for you to work more effectively on the account. Because if you create it in any other country, there are some features that will not work on this website. So now you click on create a marketing report dashboard. So after clicking on this, you follow everything step by step. Then import your contact. There's going to be an import contact file that you should have. Either you get it from ads or you get it from the store. Import it here. So once this thing is done 100%, the message will automatically be sent to potential audience Gmail. Currently, I published the 60% I did earlier, and the message is sent to all the emails. So when you follow all these steps, stage by stage, you will be able to access everything easily. This website is self-explanatory. Go through it step by step every day. Every day, try to learn everything in the drop down. For example, a whole day you should spend on learning these ads, email, landing page, website integration, blog integration, social, all the social media accounts, SEO. You will track the SEO of your website, either it is 90% or below that. You will check your campaigns, design tools, forms like pop-up forms, design tools like extra templates, create templates, and lots more like that. So in these sales, deals, forecast, tax, document, meeting, payment, paybooks, codes, and lots more like that, they are on this website. So please do check it out and do more research about it. This is all what I will explain in this video. I will just tell you the benefits and assist you in every way I can to get more conversions through this website. So once you are done setting everything up and you have some questions you wish to ask me, kindly leave the comment in the comment section below. I will respond as soon as I can to assist you and to make sure you are on the right path. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time. It is inevitable. Bye guys.